Don't focus on your
age,
age. Focus on your
language.
Don't focus on your
Age,
focus on your
language.
Doesn't matter what is your age. You can speak English, yes. So today we will tell you you can improve your speaking English and you can learn new language like a English. It is accepted internationally, yes. Okay, it will help you. So you should join Faizul Institute, which is available nearby
SBI Bank.
SBI Bank, yes. And we provide you easy techniques for spoken
English,
yes. So you can speak English in easy way because we are making English easy. Yes, we are making English easy by using ChatGPT and AI, artificial intelligence. Yes. So you will feel after coming here. Yes, English is very easy. English is very easy language. Also, we have made this language very easy. Yes, we teach English very easy method. So you will see improvement yourself after some time. Okay.
Yes.
So visit here and don't wait for tomorrow. Okay. And we provide classes like communication skills and presentation skills and interview skills and English speaking skills. You will learn as soon as. Don't worry, like you are doing job. So how you will come here? We teach English morning 6 p.m. to evening 9 p.m. You can come here anytime. Okay, we will teach you like you are alone personally. Yes. So our motive is to teach English in easy way. Yes, as soon as it will be possible. So don't wait for tomorrow. Come, we are inviting you, and you can come. Here is Fazil sir. Here is
Here
Fazil.
is.
Here.
Here.
Here is.
Yes.
Excuse me. Oh yes.